I promise, I swear to you, I'll be okay. You're only the love of my life. Hey, this is Alex again for PML with another tutorial, and today we're gonna take a look at Better Now by Post Malone. The bandana will stay though because I needed to get into character last night and I got this crazy barbed wire tattoo on my forehead and I don't want you to see it yet. Maybe in the next video. What are we going to do? We're gonna take a look at the chord progression, we're gonna take a look at the bass notes again, and we're gonna write our own chord progression, which will be very, very easy today. Of course, you can get all of the MIDI files, some samples down in the link section. And right now, I'm about to sing and play Better Now. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Wanna give you anything, wanna give you everything. You know I say that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Wanna give you anything, wanna give you everything. Oh. Okay, that was a wrong note in the end of that. But first, let's take a look at the arrangement, and we're gonna do this old school. This is pretty simple. It's only these 4 chords that we just played, and there's a bunch of stuff going on that he is singing on. Basically, he doesn't have a real verse. All he's doing is just improvising on these 4 chords. He's probably written that song on the guitar. And if you know that the A is here, the D is here, the G is here, and the C is here, that way you see that they're super close to each other. But now let's dive in and take a look at the editor. Let's listen. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Wanna give you anything, wanna give you everything. You know I say that I... Okay, at this position, the loop is over once and he's just repeating. But repetition, as always, is key to a catchy melody. I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Wanna give you anything, wanna give you everything. Oh. Okay, that was this hiccup in the end. Let's just quickly fix that. Just put that here. Let's take a closer look at the chords, and then we're gonna write our own chord progression. A minor, D major, G major, C major. Okay, before we dive into writing our own chords, we need to do a little recap on music theory, and especially to explain one scale that we use here in the song, or that Post Malone used in the song. What you see here, and there's already the distinctive note highlighted here, is the A-Dorian scale. So we're not in A natural minor, but in A-Dorian. I just show you the difference for quick. With an F, it would be the A natural minor scale. And now with the F sharp, it's the A-Dorian scale. It still has this whole melancholic or sad minor quality to it because of the minor third here. But the F sharp gives us a whole other world of chords that are possible to be played. Due to the F sharp, we have an D major chord that is possible, and we have the B minor chord that is possible. And this B minor chord here with the F sharp on top as the 5th is very important for us for our new chord progression, because we can get some variation going on. So first we need to change this D to a B, and by doing this we changed a D major to a B minor. And let's see how this tastes when we put it to E. E is here already, so we put that to G. And then like this. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Wanna give you anything, wanna give you everything. You know I say that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Wanna give you anything, wanna give you everything. Oh. Okay guys, as you can see, again, the bass note is the most important player on the field. Try hitting different bass notes to the same chord and maybe you find something that is very unique and individual and that fits your song perfectly. I hope you do, and I hope that you learned a little something from this tutorial today. And also tell us in the comments which kind of songs or which actual song we should do next in this format. Don't forget to push subscribe and see you next time. Take care.